we're not actually observers of the universe because we're made out of the universe. So we're the universe observing itself.
Maybe we're just observers. Maybe we're just along for the ride, but we know so much about it.
So a few years ago, I came across this book by the astrophysicist Katie Mack called The End of Everything, Astrophysically Speaking. The book tells the story of our universe, how we understand its beginning, its expansion, and what we know about its future, including, well, the end of everything. I was so moved by the book that I wrote Dr. Mack an email to thank her for writing it, and she replied, and we struck up a friendship. We make a bit of an odd couple. I'm a novelist by trade who just barely passed high school physics. Dr. Mack, meanwhile, holds the Hawking Chair in Cosmology and Science Communication at the renowned Perimeter Institute. But she's a patient teacher, and I am very curious about the vast and strange universe in which I find myself. So we decided to make a podcast together about the history of the entire universe, including the parts of its history that haven't yet been written. I hope you'll join us for The Universe, a limited series podcast from Crash Course.
We live in a universe. How big is it?
It depends on what you mean by universe. The hydrogen in your body, those atoms first formed in that first 2 minutes of the universe.
I'm already in the mind-blown place. Makes me anxious, but I like it. Do we know how long inflation lasted?
We think 10 to the minus 34 seconds.
Shut up. You are painting onto a blank canvas right now, Dr. Mack.
I'll start with the Big Bang Theory.
We are going to learn about, and I like this phrase, cosmic noon.
The fundamental forces of nature, large-scale structure of the universe.
Black holes.
You already know the whole story of dark matter.
I definitely don't.
We know so much about it, and we can look at it. Like, we can directly look at it. We are so tiny and insignificant, and yet, look what we can do.
The Universe debuts on April 24th and will be available here on the Crash Course YouTube channel and also wherever you get your podcasts.